back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Hope you're well. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a simple dal, Indian lentils with some vegetables. Very, very tasty, vegetarian, healthy, vegan. It's going to do. Okay, let's take a look at some of the ingredients we're going to be using for this. At the back, I've got some dal or lentils. That's a red lentil that I've cooked. I've boiled it for about 6 or 7 minutes, softened it up, just to show you there. That's what it looks like when it's not cooked, so it's much smaller, and it can change colour. The red actually changes colour to a yellow. Make sure you give it a nice little wash, get any little stones out or something like that. Sometimes little pests in there like that. Potatoes, carrots, tomato, onion. Cut kind of all about the same size. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. And you can see the amounts. These are about the same, more potato. That's the balance I'm going for. Fresh chilli. Here I've got garlic ginger paste. 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. That's like 2 heaped teaspoons. In here I've got our garam masala, our whole seeds. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds. And I've got 3 or 4 green cardamom there. Powders. Again, 1 teaspoon each of cumin, chili, and turmeric. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper and possibly some water. Okay, so I've got a pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using a different oil if you wanted. In goes our whole garam masala. Like I say, today I'm using black mustard seeds, cumin, and a little bit of green cardamom. Of course, many ways you can go. Cinnamon stick, dried chili, black cardamom, fennel seeds, bay leaf. It's up to you. I like this little combo here. And all we're doing is getting a little bit of heat through them. They're going to infuse that oil, so don't skip this step. It's really quite important. They might start popping and crackling in a second. Okay, that's great. Now, we're now going to go in with our onions. And while I'm here, we're going to go with our carrots and our potato. Now we're on quite a lively heat. At this point I'm going to add some salt. We'll check that again later. We want this to go for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring often. Okay, so that was 3 or 4 minutes. Still extremely hard, but on their way. We're now going to add in our cooked lentils or dal. We're going to add our garlic ginger paste. And optional green chili. I've kept mine whole. Take them out later if you want, or you can chop them, up to you. Okay, 3 or 4 more minutes. Stir it all the time. Wonderful. We're now going to add in a little bit of fresh tomato. Like I say, try and use a nice juicy one. And then let's get in our powders, equal parts that I'm using today of cumin, chili, and turmeric. A teaspoon each. If you wanted, you could be using your favourite curry powder or some curry mixture you have in your store or cupboard. Okay, again, stirring pretty much all the time on this kind of quite lively heat. Let's go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let's get it all together now. Okay, this is looking wonderful. Just a note, the lentils, when I cooked them sort of like 80% of the way, so they had a little bit of bite to them. Because we've got this cooking process now which kind of help them go. Now, water. There's enough to cover that there. Now we might be adding more, because what we need to do now, We're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer, but to a kind of medium. Get it rolling away, rolling boil. And I'm going to cook this now for about, it's going to be like another 8 to 9 minutes. I'm going to be stirring it every now and then. If the water reduces too much, I'm going to top it up. What we're looking for now is to get those vegetables really nice and soft and now dark. Exactly how you want. Some people like a little bite, some people like it kind of baby foodish, kind of mush. I actually like both. So that's it, just have a little stir every now and then. If it needs water, top it up. That's looking fantastic to me. That's the kind of consistency I like. All those vegetables are nice and soft, it's thickened up nicely. Let's get the heat off. Let's now get a little bit of fresh cilantro or coriander in the mix. Check that for salt. You may need some more salt. Get that mixed in. I'm going to get this in a serving bowl, and we've just got one more thing to do. Okay, and there you go. Job done, apart from one thing. I've got some hot oil there with some cumin seeds in and a little bit of chili. Hang on. As you can see there, dried red chili and some cumin seeds in extremely hot oil just for a few seconds. I love that on the top there, makes a lovely difference. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.